Gear up for a captivating ride on fact channels, where exoskeletons meet renewable energy in unexpected ways. Prepare to uncover 11 truths that might just redefine how we power our future. Would you believe exoskeletons can double a worker's productivity in solar panel installations, a cornerstone of renewable energy transitions? Exoskeletons reduce fatigue by 50% in wind turbine maintenance, allowing technicians to work longer and safer in harsh environments. By 2030, exoskeleton technology is projected to save the renewable energy sector over $1 billion annually in labor and health costs. Did you know the use of exoskeletons in offshore wind farms cuts maintenance time by nearly 40%, crucial for efficiency in remote locations? Increased power, exoskeletons enhance human strength by up to 20 times, revolutionizing heavy lifting in renewable energy construction projects. A new era, lightweight exoskeletons powered by the sun can operate indefinitely on-site, transforming how we build solar farms. Operators using exoskeletons report a satisfaction rate increase of over 60% due to reduced stress and injury rates in physically demanding tasks. Real-time data integration within exoskeletons helps monitor and optimize renewable energy systems, ensuring peak efficiency during operation. How about the fact that robotic exoskeleton technology can be recycled into new units, making them environmentally friendly just like the energy they help harness? The first fully autonomous exoskeleton was developed specifically for assembling wind turbines, capable of self-diagnosis and repair. By enhancing precision and coordination, exoskeletons reduce material waste by 30% during construction of renewable energy facilities. Thanks for exploring facts with us. Like, subscribe, and stay curious.